वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो अगर आप मुंबई से हो और वेकेशन जाना चाहते हो बट छुट्टी नहीं मिल रही है, there's this place which is only 30 kilometers away from South Bombay, where you can plan your one-day trip, which also is no less than a palace, and it has all type of adventure activities. So the place is Imperial Palace Resort, which is near Royal Palms, Goregaon. So once you enter the palace, you have these huge sculptures of animals right at the entry point. Once you enter, there's this huge lobby with all paintings over it. It has paintings on the wall, on the ceiling. On the entry, you need to first sanitize your hands. And then the temperature is checked of all the guests. You have these European vibes going on all over the palace. You have these beautiful paintings on the wall, on the ceiling, with some beautiful chandeliers and lightings. Then comes one of the most beautiful spot of the palace, which is the dining hall, and the staircase to the dining hall is extremely beautiful. The staff is very cooperative, very helpful. They have everything sanitized and perfectly clean and hygienic. They have this huge spread for the breakfast, right from all types of namkeen, farsans to packed chips to all sort of cakes. They also have some Indian breakfast like poha, upma, vada pav. But my personal favorite were their momos. Very juicy, very tasty. Having breakfast in this dining hall is no less than a palace feel. The dining hall is made beautifully. The staff here is so helpful and cooperative. They are also very attentive. Then comes the room, which is no less than a room from a royal palace. It has all these beautiful interiors. It also has all the amenities. There's this huge glass window with a view, but I could not show you because there was work going on under construction. Also, there's this huge bathroom with a beautiful bathtub and a shower area. The best thing of the palace were the activities, all the outdoor activities. Proper safety gears were provided for the ones who were doing all the adventure activities. Proper helmets, proper harness, full on marks for the safety precautions taken. These adventure activities were so much of fun and so well managed with all the safety, the harness, and everything. Also on ground they provide you with water and some refreshments, so whenever you're thirsty or hungry while doing the adventure activities, you can just go and sip on some water or a juice. Okay, so one of the best thing of this stay was the ATV rides. They have this track formed for ATV rides and dirt biking. And all these activities are included in the stay. It's totally free of cost. Okay, so saved the best for the last. This is the thing which I've never done and was very nervous, anxious for this one. Okay, so this is the zip lining, me doing it for the very first time. In total, the stay was very nice, very adventurous. All the details will be in the description box.